In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shiprocket with Shopify. By the end, your Shopify store will be connected to Shiprocket so you can streamline shipping, sync orders, and speed up fulfillment. First, open your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that you have permission to install apps. From your admin dashboard, head to the Apps section. Here, look for the option to add a new app. This is where you begin the connection. Next, choose to visit the Shopify App Store. This opens the official marketplace where you can find and install trusted apps. If you manage multiple stores or browsers, autofill different accounts, double check that the App Store is opening for the store you intend to connect. In the App Store search bar, type Shiprocket. You should see the official Shiprocket app appear in the results. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct listing by checking the app name, overview, and publisher details. Reviewing the description and permissions is a good habit so you know what data the app needs to function, like order and shipping information. Open the Shiprocket app listing to view more details. You'll see what the integration offers: order syncing from Shopify, label generation, courier selection, and tracking updates. It's worth glancing at compatibility notes and any plan requirements to ensure it fits your workflow. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen. Approve the requested access to continue. The app may guide you through a brief setup, which can include connecting or signing into your Shiprocket account and confirming basic preferences. If you encounter a prompt for access scopes or redirections, simply follow the on-screen instructions. These are standard steps to establish a secure link between the two platforms. Once the app is installed, you can fine-tune how Shiprocket handles your orders. Inside Shiprocket, you have the option to create a rule. Rules help automate decisions so you don't have to manually review every shipment. For example, you could set a rule to automatically assign a preferred courier for orders within a certain weight range, prioritize the fastest service for express products, or handle cash-on-delivery orders differently from prepaid ones. Start with a single clear rule that reflects your most common scenario, then test with a recent order to confirm it behaves as expected. You can always refine or add more rules later as your shipping volume grows. That's it. Your Shopify store is now integrated with Shiprocket. You can begin syncing orders, generating labels, and tracking shipments all from one streamlined workflow.